My son knows words. He just doesn't speak them. I love him so much that I'm like choosing to enter his world instead of trying to force him to enter mine. First and foremost, it's a love note to my Aiden, and it's inspired by a day that his brother came home and said we should talk like Aiden talks, and it just kind of started those days. Just doing it the entire day, in the house, outside of the house, going on errands, going on field trips, going on whatever, just using it. I didn't want it to be like just a book that just talked about all the deficits that he has as being autistic. It's about him, and it's inspired by his life and how he is, and how loving he is, and how forgiving he is, and how caring he is. And it's just a story about a boy who just loves life, and he just happens to not speak.